Rui here. I just came for a quick ride and I thought I'd give you an update on the stuff I've been doing on the bike. First, the Adventure Spec mini fairing is very dirty now, but yeah, it's incredible for the money. I think it has like a really nice place to have a lot of controls, navigation, charging, whatever you need. I just 3D printed some parts and I attached them here to put my Garmin GPS, GoPro and anything. I have a lot of stuff there, and there's a lot of combinations you can add stuff here. 3D printed also some spacers. If she looks like this, she looks a lot better than vertically, but the problem is that when she's really outside, when you crash, it tends to push it back, which happened a few times to me, but I just pull it forward, because if you do a bit of strength, she goes forward and she's back working. A lot of people don't know, but the Rally is not on sale in Portugal, Spain, etc. This is a really nice addition to the 300L because it takes a lot of wind from your chest. It helps to put the navigation. I think it works very good. It's very simple to install. You just have 4 screws, 2 and 2. So it's really easy to remove and install in case if you need to remove it because you're doing like really gnarly stuff or technical stuff, you can remove it. I always use it. I even feel like it's strange to drive the bike without it now because I'm so used to it and I like it so much. I live in the city in Lisbon, so it's not easy to find trails. Trails are always outside the city, and it's very helpful to have this because you can really like tackle some tarmac before you reach the trails, and it's very helpful. But if I ever drive like to Morocco or something, I think that I can just head here one of those wind deflectors, really cheap Aliexpress wind deflector, and it will be just absolutely perfect to tackle like big tarmac sections. Oh, someone is coming. There's always people riding here. Tudo bem? Tudo bem? Tudo. Always people very friendly, everybody takes care of each other. So the Adventure Spec mini fairing, really loving it. I have the USB here. What else? Oh, the mirrors. You can put them just anywhere, you see, like for 10 euros. This is absolutely a steal. I broke one the first time I tried to install them because I don't know, but I think I put just too much force here. But yeah, I bought another pair. It was 10 euros for another pair. They have been working perfect. When I just get to the trails, I just like put them here and it's just awesome. Yeah, for 10 euros they are a steal, and I save my OEM mirrors. Gloves. Oh yeah. Woo! When I saw Adventure Spec releasing these gloves, I really like them. I think Adventure Spec makes really like nice clothes, and I like the gloves. They look very good, but I've been using them like in a few stretches. Last week I went to Englishman Pit, I think, or supposed to do English, which is a massive sand pit, and somehow I was like stuck there because I made a try to climb it. I stopped halfway and yeah, I grabbed the pipe, the exhaust pipe. Wow, just burned my fingers. Here you see I grab it and I burned a little bit this finger. I actually had a big, see, a big blister for all the week. But yeah, but still they are very good. They are working perfect. Other than this, I will try to repair it. I don't know how, but I will try to keep them because I really like them. I like the brand. They work very good. They are a bit cold because I did a stretch of 100 kilometers to the start of the trail, and it was like 6 o'clock in the morning. Very cold already, like 3 or 4 degrees Celsius, and I had cold hands. But yeah, but it's expectable. If you want them to be breathable and not very hot on the trails, they will be cold in the tarmac sections. But yeah, I can fix that with I don't know, like with hand warmers or something. I'll see what I'll do. But I love them. I think they're very good. I will keep testing them and riding them. And yeah, it was a shame I burned them, but no problem. Oh, this luggage, don't mind this luggage. I'm still testing it. It's a cheap option. These are the Acerbis X Factory, and they are already a little bit bent here. They are pushing here, they are pulling here a little bit. Look at this lever. So yeah, I always carry with me extra lever. It will happen soon, you know. The way I ride, many times I crash, it will happen soon. In my opinion, one of the better looking handguards in the market. They are cheap, you can replace them easily. I already have another pair at home that I will probably replace soon. I also have a set of bark busters at home, but I could not really like set them up in this handlebar. But I'm about to replace the handlebar because that's another thing. My handlebar is already a little bit bent, and so I will probably I'll probably replace it with a Contour CR height. I already bent these a few times without crashing riding, because I think it hits somewhere and it just bends. But the truth is that on my own CB 500X rally raid, I had the OEM pedal forever, and I bent it a lot of times and just pull it back, and it was working 100%. So I think this will be kind of the same. So this is just protections. Everything is working, no problems, even though I really crash a lot. The tires, I will do a separate review on the MC tires, because yeah, they are about to go. Already ordered the Michelin tracker. Let's see how they work now with the winter, because the winter is coming, and yeah, I'm here at Upstis and the sand is just like being replaced by a lot of mud, which is nice, you know, because that's the most amazing thing about riding trails. They are always different. You can ride a trail now, and then 3 months or 2 months or 1 week is a completely different trail. So I'm trying to find a radiator guard. I haven't found one yet, so not a lot of options on the market in Europe. I'm trying to find one. If not, I'll try to 3D print one or something. I already missed a screw here, so yeah, it means that already took a shot there. Well, took many, but one was harder than the others. I'm going to ride a little bit and clean it. Okay. Yeah. Wow. Two up. Ah, bom dia. Yeah. Two up here, not easy. It's not loose, but it's heavy. The steps here. Woo! Wow, so good. Woo. Love it. Let's quit it. Wow, this one will hurt. Wow. Yeah, see? This was going to your hair filter. Yeah. Yep. Wow, it was a very dusty ride with a lot of sand, a lot of humidity in the air. It was a bit of a crazy day. Ooh. Yeah, clean. Yeah. I think it looks pretty good. It's just yeah. It's okay. Not bad at all. Yeah, not bad at all. I'm just gonna give it a clean with the WD-40s. I don't have contact cleaner. I think most people use this contact cleaner. I have none. Air filter, there's zero dust, zero. Absolutely zero dust inside. If it goes through the pre-filter, it will stick to the WD-40. So yeah, I think it's not that bad that I'm using WD-40. I've used it before and yeah, zero problem. So we will install the clean pre-filter, the used one, and clean one. So yeah, this used one we will put it here, and this one we will just slide it in here. It's there, you see. Yeah, just slide it, and now do it like a sock or something, I don't know. More than enough. Woo! OEM air filter back on. Yeah. Yeah. So we can have a little bit of WD-40 here, and it can stick to the dust. Like a 5-10 minute job. Oh yeah, perfect. Put this under it. And it's done.